How to use drawing tools. Are you guys facing issues to use drawing tools on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To use drawing tools on PrimeXBT, first of all open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your rostered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you will be forwarded to this interface where you will be able to view your chart. To do the analysis, you need drawing tools, right? To bring the drawing tools, just simply look at the left side of your screen where you can see this menu bar. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be able to view multiple indicators, drawing tools. Just simply select the one according to preference. From here, if you want to bring trend line, then tap on trend line. Now just simply click on the chart and trend line will be applied on your chart type. That's it guys. That's how we're going to use drawing tools. Now just simply repeat all this process to do your analysis. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.